Welcome to Fast Food Fight, the show where I review popular dishes from fast food chains, recreate them to look and taste like their retail products, whilst reducing the cost. Or as you also may know it as, is Chris Cook's Cheat. No, not that you. Why do I do this? Anyway, today we have a special request from a subscriber to recreate the Oprego sauce so that he can dip his chips into it. Well, my friend, feel free to dip your chips into the sauce that comes with the burger, because today you're going to get Oprego. Wait, didn't sound right. I'm not meaning that anyone's going to get Prego from this show, or that we are genetically engineering Hungarian chicken dishes into this recipe to create a hungry homicidal horde of perfect Becking specimens to dominate all, making me the creator of Presidente. Yeah, sorry, my neck's kind of stiff. What Oprego actually means is organic-based vegetable sauce. Or does it? And now, on with the video! Imagine a burger with not one, but two fresh grilled 100% chicken breast fillets, crisp lettuce, fresh tomato, cheese, mayo, and Oporto's deliciously tangy Prego sauce. Well, I hope yours looks better than mine, cause me sad now. I have a buyer's remorse. Well, I'm sure I could do this well under budget, because this cost me $11. I'm going to show you how I got this, looking like this. Yeah, I know, but at least mine's a little bit better. Today I got everything at my local Coles supermarket. Maybe you should consider shopping there yourself. And while you're here, why don't you consider subscribing? Right, on with the video. Ding-a-ling-a-ling. So let's start off by adding salt and pepper to your breadcrumbs. Butterfly your chicken breast fillet, cut it into even portions, and roll the two fillets out flat. Next you want to evenly crumb both sides of each of the chicken fillets. Now you want to set your grill on a medium-high heat, making sure that you put some vegetable oil in there so that the chicken doesn't stick. Now you've got to make sure that you place your fillets evenly on the flame grill. It's probably a good idea to move the chicken around a little bit on the flame grill just to make sure that it is lubricated, it doesn't stick. And if your flame grill has a hood, make sure you cover the chicken just to keep the moisture in. Now it's time to make your Prego sauce. Start with 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, add about 4 tablespoons of creamy mushroom soup, pinch of salt, crack of pepper, tablespoon of garlic paste and a tablespoon of basil pesto. Give it a good mix. Now you want to add about 4 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce and give it another mix. Now that is looking pretty gnarly. Now it's time to check on your chicken fillets. Just turn them over and reduce the heat down to a simmer. The grill should be warm enough to keep cooking the crumbs on the outside. You want to make sure the chicken is cooked through before doing this, of course. Now it's time to make your mayonnaise. So about a tablespoon of garlic paste and about 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, and use your low-tech kitchen gadget just to mix it up. Now it's time to toast your buns. Under a grill should do it. Now shred some lettuce. What would an Oprego burger be without a tomato? So go and cut one of those up. What do you reckon, people? Time to chuck this burger together or what? So start with the heel of the bun, and then add your mayo. Then add your lettuce. Tomato. Add your 2 fillets. Next add your Prego sauce. Add a slice of cheese. Just for some special flavour, get some of the Prego sauce and whack it on the crown. And put that crown on top of the burger. Look at that. Not bad for a smidgen over $2 if I do say so myself. If you haven't tried one of these burgers, make sure you go to Oporto and ask them to double bag one for you for some extra protection. This has been Chris from Mighty Munch giving you another fast food fight, and I'll see you next Tuesday. This is a big German cock.